Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Prestone Tensong lo pensyaipat ba halur kisenjam mag Sorkar kan Pyntreikam ya Kyndon ke iasyriem bat ke line permit. Bagarukam Pyntreikam ga Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act MRSSA. Habakran ikilat patai kubor halur ke ILP bat ke Immigration and Foreigners Act Arhajar Arpusan. Ubah Prestone Tensong le thu ba Menteri Rangba ulah dapat penpau ba ke Sorkar kadang bisyar penia yak Immigration and Foreigners Act Arhajar Arpusan keberang sudah pas dangshan hagi yang dorbar parlimen. Ulang ba ketong hi kalong ban kemi lagala an man pendrong hi Kyndon ke dede bat ILP hapok kena kaan ke batamai. Le thu ba ke Sorkar kelabata yak legakam how Advocate General bat kiriu shimet ki badai kemi yak an ban bisyar penia agi jingmut ke badan hapok kena kaan. Halor ke MRSSA bat ki entry exit point. Usambut Menteri Rangba ulah pensyai bagi Sorkar kampat sangat dan Pyntreikam ki an MRSSA dag bakedo bagi MRSSA garang Pyntreikam haduk mentah. Bagi District Task Force ki belam dagi Deputy Commissioner kladap ban pen KM ban Pyntreikam yaka. Dag bakedo bahapo shlong kenekaan kelat Pyntreikam pura. Ubah Prestone Tensong ulah pensyai bagi Principal Act kata ke Act ke Bamenshwa kaduna ki Kyndon an mensyai ki entry but exit point.
Who told you that we abandon that? MRSSA is partly being implemented. We are functioning under MRSSA, where we already have even the district task force headed by each deputy commissioner. So we have already activated as per the rule. It is there, and we are making it more effective in all other districts, and especially in Shillong. Let me tell you one thing: we do have, and it is fully functional in Shillong, especially in Shillong. Don't misunderstand. When I said some provision was not there for setting up of entry and exit, that is the whole thing where we could not fully implement the MRSSA Act because of the basic provision was not there. That in the main principal act it was not there. That's what we went to pass it in the assembly in the form of amendment. Ultimately, the amendment bill was referred by the then governor to the Ministry of Home Affairs. I did not say that we did not implement. We do implement, but legally speaking, we cannot set up entry or exit point because there is no provision in the original form of the MRSSA. Well, about this issue, in fact, yes, I think CM or Honorable CM has already given the statement that yes, we are even examining if the Act 2025 of the Immigration and Foreigners Act, whether we can also maybe cope in some kind of provision over there to implement it, maybe just like ILP type of. But that again, we have already referred this details of the provisions in the latest Act 2025 Foreigners and Immigration Act passed by the Parliament to be again looked into by the Advocate General and their team of legal experts.